Good morning children. Today let us do page number 11 in workbook. 13th question. Multiply the following. Let us do the A sums. Okay. Now you have to multiply 4567 with 18. You have to multiply 4567 with 18. First what you have to do? You have to multiply the whole number with 8 and afterwards you have to multiply the whole number with 1 and you have to add both the numbers. So multiplication should always be started from ones place. So let us start the multiplication. 8 sevens are how much? 8 sevens are 56. 8 sevens are 56. So 8 six are how much? 8 six are 48. 48 plus 5 is how much? 48 plus 5 is 53. 48 plus 5 is 53. Okay. Now I am putting 3 here. Now 8 fives are how much? 8 fives are 40. 40 plus 5 is how much? 45. 40 plus 5 is 45. Okay, we have to put 5 here. 8 fours are how much? 8 fours are 32. 34 plus 4 is how much? 36. Now what I have done? I have multiplied the whole number with 8. Now what I am going to do? Now I am going to multiply the whole number with 1. Here 1 is in tens place, so I have to put 0 in ones place. Now 1 sevens are how much? 7. 1 six are how much? 6. 1 fives are 5. 1 fours are 4. Now what I have to do? I have to add both the numbers. 6 plus 0 is how much? 6. 7 plus 3 is how much? 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay, 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay, 6 plus 1 is 7 and 7 plus 5 is 12. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay children. So first what I have done? First I have multiplied the whole number with 8 and after that I have multiplied the whole number with 1 and added both these numbers. So by multiplying with the number 1, what I have done? I have put 0 in tens place because 1 is in tens place. After that I have added both the numbers. Okay. Now let us do the B sum. Okay. 7896 into 47. Now what I have to do? First I have multiplied the whole number with 7 and afterwards I have to multiply the whole number with 4 and add both the answers. So first I multiply the whole number with 7 and start multiplying from ones place. 7 6 are how much? 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. Okay. Next. 7 9s are how much? 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 4 is how much? 67. Okay. 7 8s are how much? 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 6 is how much? 62. 7 7s are how much? 49. 49 plus 6 is how much? 55. 49 plus 6 is 55. Now 4 is in tens place, so I have to put 0 in ones place. Now I have to start multiplying the whole number with 4 and start the multiplication from ones place. 4 6 are how much? 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 2 is 38. Okay. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 3 is 35. Again 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 3 is 31. Now what I have to do? I have to add these numbers. 2 plus 0 is 2. 7 plus 4 is 11. And 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Okay. 5 plus 5 is 10. And 10 plus 1 is 11. 5 plus 1 is 6. And 6 plus 1 is 7. And the last number is 3. Okay. This is the way to do the multiplication. You already know how to do the multiplication in your 4th class itself. Okay. Now I have done 2 sums. The remaining sums you do on your own. I will be putting the answers in the WhatsApp so that you can check your answers. Now let us move to the 14th sum. Now let us move to the 14th sum. Now let us do the 14th sum. Okay. So 14th sum is you have to divide the following and find the divisor, quotient and remainder. So first you have to divide and then you have to find out the divisor, quotient, divisor and dividend also. You have to divide the following numbers and find the dividend. You have to find the dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. What you have to do? First you have to divide and then you have to find out the dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Let us do the A sum. You have to divide 5555 by 11. First you have to check how many digits you have to take. If I take one digit which is 5, 5 is less than 11. So we can't do the division. So how many digits I have to do? I have to take 2 digits. So 55. Now I have to check how many times 11 goes in 55. So 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55. So 11 goes in 55 how many times? 5 times. Because 11 fives are 55. Now you have to subtract 5 from 5. 5 minus 5 is how much? 0. Again 5 minus 5 is 0. Next what I have to do? I have to bring down the next number which is 5. Since 5 is smaller than 11, I have to bring out the next number also. I have to bring down the next number also. Since I have brought down 2 numbers at a time, I have to put 0 in the quotient. Whenever you bring down 2 numbers at a time, you have to put 0 at the quotient. Now, how many times 11 goes in 55? 11 goes 5 times in 55. So, 55 minus 55 is how much? 0. Now, let us write down the dividend. Which is the dividend here? 5555 is the dividend. So, which is the divisor? Here the divisor is 11. Next, which is the quotient? 505 is the quotient. 505 is the quotient. And what is the remainder here? The remainder is 0. Here I have done the first sum. The second sum you do on your own. I will be putting the answer in the WhatsApp. So let us move to the next sum which is 15th sum. Okay. Now let us move to the next sum which is the 15th sum. Okay. Let us do the 15th sum. So what is the 15th sum? Priya wants to write the largest and the smallest 5-digit numbers, but she is not sure about them. Please help her to write down the numbers. So Priya wants to write down the largest 5-digit number. Priya has to write the largest 5-digit number and the smallest 5-digit, largest 5-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number. So you all know that 99,999 is the largest 5-digit number and 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. You You all know that 99,999 is the largest 5-digit number and 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. Okay. So now let us do the 16th sum. Okay, let us do the 16th sum. Okay, let us do the 16th sum. Manju buys 15 identical toys and paid rupees 50. Identical toys means what? Same kind of toys. So how many toys she bought? She bought 15 identical toys. For how much rupees? For 500 rupees. She bought 500. She bought 15 identical toys for 500 rupees. The shopkeeper returned her 275 rupees. So how much amount did the shopkeeper return back to her? 275 rupees. Now what you have to do is you have to find the cost of each toy. Okay. How many toys did Manju bought? What is the cost of 15 identical toys? The cost of 15 identical toys is rupees 500. The cost of 15 identical toys is rupees 500. How much amount did the shopkeeper return back? Amount returned by shopkeeper. How much amount did the shopkeeper given back? The shopkeeper given back to her 275. Now, if you do the subtraction, you will get the cost of each toy. Okay, children? Let me explain. So, what is the cost of 15 identical toys? It is given that the cost of 15 identical toys is 500 rupees. So, how much amount did the shopkeeper return back to Manju? The shopkeeper returned back 275 rupees to Manju. Now what we have to do? We have to find the cost of each toy. So for finding the cost of each toy, first we have to find the cost of 15 toys. For finding out the cost of each toy, we have to find out the cost of 15 toys. So cost of 15 toys is how much? For that you have to do the subtraction. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7, 4 minus 2 is 2. So the cost of 15 toys is 225. So Manju, what did Manju done? Manju has bought 15 identical toys and given the shopkeeper rupees 500. And the shopkeeper returned back to her rupees 275. Now we have to find out the cost of 15 toys. So the cost of 15 toys is 225. Now what we have to do is we have to find out the cost of 15 toys is 225. Now we have to find out the cost of each toy. For finding out the cost of each toy, you have to divide 225 with 15. 225 with 15. Now 15 ones are how much? 15. 15 ones are 15. Okay, 12 minus 5 is how much? 7. 1 minus 1 is how much? 0. Bring down 5. Now 15 pies are how much? 15 pies are 75. 75 minus 75 is 0. So the cost of each toy is 15 rupees. So I have explained how many sums? 16 sums. 17th sum you do for homework. Okay. 17th sum you try on your own. I will be giving the answer in the WhatsApp so that you can check the answers. Children, I also going to put the answers first. Choose the correct answers in WhatsApp so that you can write. To try them. If you don't know the correct answers, you can see the answers from WhatsApp and write them. Okay. And the application part also I will be explaining after you come back to school. Okay. Application part also I will be explaining after you come back to school. So you all From Monday onwards, I will be starting the new chapter. Okay, for today, that's all. Okay, bye.